Okay, Leb. There.
Ikaw po.
Are you happy, Caleb? Are you happy?
Yeah!
What will you say to Mamu and Daddy? Kiss and hug. Always good boy or always bad boy?
Good boy!
Promise?
Good boy!
Daddy will not let you play if you're bad boy.
Yes.
Yeah!
Promise?
Yeah!
Say promise.
Promise! Thanks for watching! Thanks for watching! Bye!